Greetings, Bart Ron here. We're going to be looking at how we can download this Google Doc right here, right into PDF. Yes, so you about Google Doc, I wanted to download it in PDF. I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually do that. The first thing you want to do is to locate the document that you want to convert. So this is the document. So you're going to click on it and open it. All right, when you open it, you're going to come to your left. Right here is the word file. Follow my cursor right here. When I click on Word file, you notice you see new, open, share, email, download. So we're going to come all the way download. Go to right, you notice I show you can download in Microsoft Word, open document format, rich text doc format, PDF, plain document, web page. So I want to focus on, download it as PDF. So I'm going to click on that. Now when I click on that, if you notice it show right up here. So this is our document definitely that we just download a while ago. It actually open it. Right? Very important. So in order for us to get it, you can come right here, File Explorer, open it, so you can go to the download file right here. If you notice, this is a visit, you can always right click and cut it and paste it on your desktop. Just like this, I can drag and drop it on your desktop. Right? So this definitely is a file that you actually download. Right? So very important right here that you pay close attention to that. Right? So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.